Imagine the following situation. A hotel guest named John would like to have a breakfast. And he is not just calling by phone, but there is a local system in this hotel where he can enter the number of his room and then he receives the breakfast. I write a code for this situation, and your code should have one of these outputs. The first output is "Thank you." This output is when the system receives relevant input. For example, room number 1, 2, 3, 4. It's clear that a room number is a positive number. It can be negative number, it can be 0, or it can be a word, a text, a sentence. No, this is a positive number. Only in this case, John receives the output, "Thank you." And another variant of the output is "Please try again." Please try again. This output John receives in the case if he made a mistake. For example, he wrote -5, 0 or something irrelevant. As you already understood, for this task you need to use in your code try and except blocks. Please check the following variants: 540, 0, -40, and the name of the guest, John. Now please stop the video and test all these 4 variants. Let's check your code. Let's write it together. First of all, what should we do? Of course, we introduce an input variable. X is input. And here we write room number. Then we have 2 blocks, try and accept. The first block, try, if the user enter the relevant information, the number of the room, but in order to work with this information we have to transform it into integer. So we introduce a variable y is integer of x. Then we write accept block, but let's postpone what we write into accept block. Don't write it now, let's postpone it for a while. Then remember, we need just positive numbers, positive integers. So we have to introduce a conditional statement with if. If y is greater than 0, print. What should we print in this case? We have correct input, so we should print "Thank you." Print "Thank you." And in the opposite case, if the user types something irrelevant with minus, negative number, 0 or his name, else print "Please try again." Try again. But now let's come back to our accept block. So what we write here? To the accept block, in order to receive this output, let's write something from this else condition, not from if. In accept block we shouldn't receive any "thank you." We have to receive "please try again." So let's write here that y is 0 if y equals to 0. And when John, let's see how it works now. So let's try first of all 540. Python sees that this is a relevant information, so it comes to try, to the block try. Now it's integer. Then is it greater than 0? Yes. So our output is "Thank you." Thank you. Let's check now 0. So Python sees that this is relevant information. This is a number, so now it's an integer, but is it greater than 0? No, it is a 0. So Python comes here, and the output that John receives is please try again. The same situation happens if we test -40. Again, the same. So this is it comes to the block try, but then after that it skips if statement and comes to the else statement, and John receives the output please try again. And let's see what happens if we type, if John made a mistake and wrote John. So this is irrelevant information. It doesn't come to the block try. It comes from here to accept block, and then why when we gave here that in this case y is equal to 0. That's why it comes not to if, it skips if block, it comes directly to else block. And then in this case also we receive the same output. Please try again.